Welcome to the Grand Fiesta Americana, an adult-only resort just outside of Puerto Vallarta. And this is the lobby bar. Very beautiful. This is the Skybar, and it's open from 10 a.m. all day. Good morning. All premium brands, I see. This area can be used for wedding receptions. Can you imagine having your reception here with this view as your backdrop? People are enjoying breakfast at the Grand Fiesta Americana. Selection of fruit, cheeses, and cold cuts. Lox with sausages, potatoes, poached eggs, pork, roasted vegetables, beef stew, scrambled eggs. How about a donut? Here we have pork and beef. And this is the fresh juice station. Shore Grill, beachfront. Another beautiful beachfront dining option. This resort is absolutely stunning, I have to say. This is the Grand Club for higher room categories.
So this is the Grand Club Lounge. When your clients book the Master Suite, Grand Tour Suite, Gardener, instead of going to the regular lobby, they will come here, they will give you the private check-in, explain to you all the lounge, all the activities.
Come on guys, we gotta go. It's beautiful to see and we love it, but
So you can come here and check
This
it out.
is a master
Take pictures
suite.
and go to the other one, also the master suite. This is the master suite.
And here they've welcomed us once again, Air Transat. Double sinks. Shower with my favorite waterfall shower head, a lit makeup mirror, closets. This is a deluxe junior suite.
I think that's in properties from Cancun, the live aqua, when you add it, the doors open.
This in here is,
Oh,
is swung over, like I can go.
that. Yeah, we didn't.
Very luxurious. And again, all rooms are ocean front. This is the deluxe junior suite, an adult only resort. And the bonus of booking here, all rooms face the ocean and all rooms have balconies. So if you're looking for a quiet getaway and a beautiful view while you're sipping your morning coffee, this is definitely the resort for you. Snorkeling is nearby. Call me, Susan at Escapes, and let's plan your next vacation to this fabulous resort.